The equity markets dropped more last week or have not dropped like that since 2008, the housing crash. I want to explain basically what's happening right now so that I can show you guys as a knowledge broker that there are some opportunities for you right now, especially when it comes to real estate and mortgages. We are experiencing, and what happened last week is what's called convexity. Okay, you can look that up. But in essence, here's what's happening. As equities drop, as the stock market drops, fund managers, big fund managers that are promising or at least trying to get a certain rate of return, get scared and they come out of equities and they go into the 10-year treasury yield. Now what happens, supply and demand, as things buy into the treasury yield, the yield actually goes down some. All right, so they're making less and less and less every time they buy more yields. And as more fund managers goes, it just perpetuates. There comes a point when the 10-year treasury yield is not as attractive as the mortgage bonds that you can get. So mortgage bonds will get you pretty much the same safety, a little bit more risk, but not much. And you can hide your money or hold it until we feel like the equities markets are going to turn around and move it back in. So we've seen a lot of buy-ins into the mortgage bond world too. What does that do? Same thing it does for the treasury. That's what convexity is. Same thing it does for the treasury. It drops rates. Start to see a pickup in refinances. I've already gotten some phone calls going, hey, can you help me refinance? Sure, no problem. We're going to start seeing the refinances come again, because if somebody's in the 4s and they can get in the 2s and maybe change it to a 15-year note. They've only been paying 3 years on a 30. But you're in the 2s and you can get it at 15 and your payment either goes up slightly or doesn't go up at all. You just saved 12 years off your mortgage. Why wouldn't you do that? So I think that your purchases, I think this is going to perpetuate the real estate market right now. We have a problem in our area. That problem is an inventory, and I'll show you that once we get to the rest of this show.
I'm a man on a mission.
My mission is to help people break through all the noise out there and
Don't need no permission.
I want to help you get to actual truth.
On a mission.
Don't you just want the truth?